In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of no preview available when a file is in the owner's bin on Google Drive. This can be frustrating, especially if you need quick access to an important document, image, or presentation, but don't worry. I'll walk you through it step by step and provide a few extra tips to prevent similar issues in the future. First, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account on your browser. Open Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This will make it easier to navigate your files and quickly locate what you need. Next, identify the file that's showing the no preview available message. You can scroll through your list of files or use the search bar at the top of the page to locate it more quickly. Once you find the file, click on it to select it. Depending on your settings, a single click may highlight the file, or you may need to double click. Don't worry if the file doesn't open. This is normal when the owner has moved it to the trash or bin. The key step here is to download the file. Look for the download icon, usually represented by a downward facing arrow pointing into a horizontal line located in the top right corner. Click this icon to save a copy of the file to your local device. Downloading the file ensures you have a backup and can view or edit it outside of Google Drive, which is essential if the preview function isn't working. After downloading, locate the file on your device. Check your downloads folder or the default location your browser saves files. Try opening it with the appropriate program depending on the file type. This confirms you now have access to the file even if it's in the owner's bin, which is a quick workaround to continue your work without interruption. Extra tips. If you frequently collaborate on shared files, consider asking the file owner to restore important files from their trash or change their sharing settings. Regularly cleaning out your own Google Drive bin can also prevent accidental loss of files and reduce similar access issues in the future. By following these steps, you'll be able to access files that appear unavailable due to being in the owner's bin, and you'll also gain tips to better manage your shared files moving forward. I hope this guide helps you resolve the issue quickly and keeps your workflow smooth. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the comments for additional tips on managing Google Drive.